If you're a young dentist in Ohio, I need your help. I'm here at Franklin Dental Care Dentures, and it's a rainy day. If you worked anywhere in Ohio, rainy days tend to make people go a little bit crazy, and so patients have a hard time showing up. Usually staff have a hard time showing up, but here at Franklin Dental Care Dentures, our staff always shows up. On rainy days, on not rainy days, on awesome days, and our patients are super, super kind, and they very much need our help. And we need a dentist around that can provide them with that support. Specifically, someone that's interested in doing lots and lots of fillings, someone that's interested in doing lots and lots of crowns, lots of prosthetics in general. Super, super important for us to get someone out here that can do that stuff, because in general, if you're a young dentist, you need to get your reps in. And there's really no better place to do it when you have a large amount of patients that need your help. In general, what stops people from taking on opportunities like this is that they don't believe that the place that they're working in is actually going to provide them that opportunity. Mind you, it's the morning here, so we just started out. We start at 8 a.m. in the morning, Monday through Friday, and then we work from 9 to about 3 p.m. on Saturdays. The importance of having that reps, the importance of having those reps is infinite. Okay, what I've realized is that as soon as we get out of dental school, we have this philosophy that perhaps we know something. And, depending on the dental school we went to, maybe we do know something. But the reality is you got to get the reps in. You got to get your hand skills to a point where you can actually produce. And there's really no better place to do it than a dental office. And check this out too. I wanted to show you guys. This is my personal brand. This is Turabify. And this was the old Franklin Dental branding. Okay. This is a poster that's going to end up changing soon. But we're growing quite a bit as a company. And we are definitely making enough to be able to support your dreams. But we just need people that are interested in being partners, are interested in our core values, are interested in serving our population. We also have a nonprofit that we created last year through the profits of Franklin Dental Care Dentures. Go ahead and take a look at the links in the bio and check out our Bright Smiles Community Outreach Coalition. Awesome nonprofit. We've distributed over 13,000 dental kits in the last year alone. And that's not even making up the ideas that we had for other people. Also, I work here with my mom, so she's sitting here in the morning doing some dentistry, but she really does all the billing in general. We have 3 staff up front, front office people that do our scheduling, that help patient coordination, and that do insurance and verification. We have 3 to 4 dental auxiliaries in the back that help us obviously get our patients the things that they need. We have 2 dentists, myself and my mother, who is probably going to retire in the next couple of years. And we have a building. We have Franklin Dental Care Dentures, which is a building we own. We just freshly painted this, by the way. And then we have the Alamo, which is a building that we're going to be refurbishing to some degree. The bottom floor of the Alamo is going to be a clerical space. Very, very important clerical space, because we're going to need it for all of the other staff that we are going to use for building out these initiatives. The philosophy of Franklin Dental Care Dentures and everything that I'm building here is one of abundance. If you're a young leader and you are a dentist and you know that there are things that you want to accomplish in society, and that you know your education is actually worth more than just the money that you're going to make from it, that is actually going to save people's lives and their teeth, and you can be a force in your community, I need you. I really do. And you may need us. And one of the most important things to think about when you're coming out of school in general, or if you're just a couple years out of school, is who are you spending your time with? Who is your environment? Who are the people that are inspiring you, that are giving you advice? Are they people that have the core values that you want to have? Are they people that are aiming to do great things for society, service-based leaders? Are they people that are philanthropists, right? Or are they people that go out on the weekend and drink a lot? Are they people that smoke a lot? Are they people that live hedonistically, waste their money, and don't give back to people, right? You need to think about these things, and if you know in your heart of hearts that you need that environment around you, the ecosystem that I'm building requires people like yourself. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. Okay, I'm gonna get started on the day here. Nice rainy day, right? But here with the people and the things that we're building, we don't give two about the weather. We don't care about anything that's happening in the economy. We don't care about politics. We get to work because we know that is the right thing to do. because we know that that's how we serve people. And we like plants. Take care. This is Dr. Turab Rai from Franklin Dental Care Dentures. Go ahead and click the link below if you're interested in the opportunity. We're gonna start off at $1,000 a day, guys. So that's a guarantee from me. Let's get you in here and get your hand skills working, and then let's talk about some ideas to build out the larger perspective. Peace.